Let's begin by finding a comfortable position. Close or lower your eyes and take a moment to feel your breath entering and leaving your body. Please repeat after me. I am enough. I am beautiful and smart just the way I am. I am worthy of good things and positivity. I am worthy of friends and love. Others will like me as I am. I don't need to try and fit in or take on more to try to get others to like me. The people who are the right fit for me will like me the way that I am. Those who see and appreciate me for all that I am are the ones who deserve me. I am worthy and I am enough. Take a moment to focus on your breathing and remember that you are enough. You are worthy and you are loved. When you are ready, please open your eyes and return to this world that loves you.